Let's talk about how you can start making money online using Google and YouTube. This is beginner friendly, and I'm going to walk you through every single click, copy, and paste so you don't get lost. By the end, you'll know exactly how to set things up and start earning. First, let's set up your Google account. Go to your internet browser and in the search bar type Google. Click on the very first result that says Google. At the top right corner, click on the button that says Sign In. On the bottom of that page, click Create Account. Choose For Myself. Now, type in your first and last name. Create a Gmail address, and then make a password. Click Next. Enter your phone number. Google will send you a text. Copy the code from the text and paste it in the box. Click Verify. Fill in your birthday and gender. Then click Next. Scroll down on the privacy terms and click I agree. Congratulations! You now have a Google account. Now let's set up your YouTube channel. Go back to Google and type YouTube. Click on YouTube. At the top right corner, click Sign In and sign in with the Google account you just made. Once you're signed in, click your profile picture at the top right. In the drop-down, click Create a Channel, type in the name you want for your channel. Upload a picture if you want, and then click Create Channel. Boom! Now you officially have your YouTube channel. Now let's talk about how to make money from this. YouTube pays you through something called the YouTube Partner Program. To qualify, you need people to subscribe to your channel and watch your videos. But let's not get ahead of ourselves. First, you need content. Here's how to create and upload your first video. Go back to YouTube and at the top, right-click the button that looks like a video camera with a plus sign. Then click Upload Video. Drag a video file from your computer or click Select Files and choose a video. It can be anything. You talking, screen recordings, tutorials, or even videos you make in copy. Once it's uploaded, type in a title that explains what the video is about in the description box. Write more details about the video and maybe paste in a link to your social media. Scroll down and click yes, it's made for kids if it is, or no if it's not. Then click Next, 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 and finally publish. Congrats! Your video is now live on YouTube. But how do you make money with it? Let's break it down. First way is ads. Once you reach the requirement, YouTube will show ads on your videos and you'll get paid. To set that up, go to YouTube, click your profile picture, then click YouTube Studio. On the left side, click on. It will show you the requirements to join. You'll need to link a Google AdSense account, which is free. To do that, click Start, and YouTube will guide you. It will take you to AdSense, where you click Sign Up. Use the same Google account, fill out your information, and connect your bank so you can get paid. Second way is affiliate links. Go to Google and type Amazon Associates, click the link, and sign up with your Google account. Once you're signed in, you can copy affiliate links of products. For example, search for a phone case, then click Get Link. Copy that link, then go back to your YouTube video description and paste it in. Now, when people click that link and buy, you earn money. Third way is using Google tools like Google Docs and Google Sites to give value. Go to Google and type Google Docs. Click the link and sign in. Click the blank document. Type out a free guide or tips related to your video. Then at the top, right-click Share. Click Copy Link. Now, paste that link into your video description. This builds trust with your viewers. You can also make a free Google site by typing Google Sites into Google. Click blank. Build a page with text and pictures, then click Publish at the top. Now you have your own mini website you can link under your videos. Fourth way is selling your own digital products. You can make a PDF guide in Google Docs, download it as a PDF by clicking File, then Download, then PDF. You could sell that on sites like Etsy, Gumroad, or even just through links in your description. Now let's talk about growth. Because the faster you grow, the faster you make money. Every time you upload a video, go to the search bar on YouTube and type in what your video is about. Look at the top results. Copy some of their titles. Then paste them into your title and add a twist. For example, if the top video is called How to Make Money Online, your title could be How to Make Money Online Step-by-Step for Beginners. That way, your video shows up in search. For thumbnails, Use Canva. Go to Google. Type Canva. Click the link. Sign up. Free. Search YouTube thumbnail in the search bar. Click a template you like. Edit the text. Drag in a picture. Then click download at the top. Right? Upload that thumbnail to your video when you're uploading. Finally, share your video everywhere. Copy your video link by going to your video, click share under the video, then copy, paste that link into your Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, bio, TikTok bio, or anywhere you have followers. The more people who click, the more views you get, the faster you hit monetization. So to recap, set up your Google account, create your YouTube channel, upload videos, sign up for AdSense, use affiliate links, create free guides with Google Docs, use Google Sites, sell digital products, optimize your titles and thumbnails, and share your links everywhere. This is how you can start making money online with Google and YouTube, even if you're brand new.